This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Okay, good morning. Why am I here? It's like I'm the only one. There is only 125,000 contracts that have traded so far. Horrific. ATR at 9:15 is 3. Nobody's trading. But I'll take a quick look. I'll stay for a brief opening. We moved up into this area that I marked off. Oh, that's interesting. I don't know if it'll apply on the holidays, but sometimes it does. We did sweep the Asia low and we swept the Asia high. Theoretically, there's an 80% chance that we sweep the Asia lows again, which really isn't that far away. It's only 40 points. The range is 40 points on the entire day today, so the entire session. Let's take a look, see where we're getting this level from. Okay, I see it. I see it. I see it. Good morning, Miss K. Good morning, Omnius. There are not a lot of people around. It's very quiet. I can hear my cat meowing. I don't know what I can hear. I can hear a pin drop. Not sure why I have my trading platform open, but it is on an eval. Volume is very light. What's the spread? Oh, quarter. Wow. A quarter point, not changing. I guess that shows the lack of volatility. Anyways, we're in that little zone there. There will be, I guess, some activity on the open. On the 15-minute, we're taking out actually only one swing high. So current trend on the 15-minute is up. Miss K. Another diehard. We'll watch the pre-market range, and we'll see what kind of volatility we get on the open. This is what I should put this all on one chart. Maybe we'll have the same kind of move that we have yesterday. Tighter range, but let's say we're in a bullish dealing range here. Let's sweep exactly like yesterday. Sweep the pre-market highs, come down to about 60-70% retrace, and then head higher again. So that's a lot to look for, but let's see if we can get that. Other than that, what levels can we take out? Anything significant? We got the previous day's high, which we've taken out a few times already. And we have you at U.S. session highs. Sorry, pre-market session highs at 831. The last couple of trading days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The last 7 trading days, we are in kind of blue sky territory for looking left. Not if we add the rest, but for 7 trading days, we are in blue sky territory right now. And what's the last thing we're going to look at? Miss K, there's no giveaway today. We're not doing a giveaway this week. I'm sorry. There's no trading. The markets are closed. Thursday. Friday, I'm not sure what the hours are. I didn't even check. Thursday's Christmas Day. It's got to be closed. Do we have a SMT? Cancel. Let's look. That's an interesting concept. Yes, we do. We have a bullish SMT with the NQ and with the NQ with the S. NQ is relatively stronger than ES. NQ took out previous day's high. That's funny. That's funny. I don't know the charts up. NQ took out previous day's high. ES kind of did. Well, no, not kind of. Didn't. But ES took out the overnight session highs by a significant amount. And NQ just a little bit. So it's weaker while it's stronger. I don't know. I don't know what to make of that. I don't have the charts to show you, but I mean, I do, but it's not listed. I can't put it up as a. I can't get it up on the screen, but the Asian session, ES significantly above the Asian session. NQ right now is below the Asia session highs. But even with that being said, even with ES being significantly above the Asian session, it didn't get above the previous day's highs. So there's kind of a bullish and bearish SMT. I guess they cancel each other out. But if I look at it back and forth, what's the take? The take is that ES was weaker and caught up. So while it was catching up, it made NQ look relatively weaker. And even with that being said, ES still trying to catch up, didn't get above previous day's high. NQ didn't. So I would still say, after going back and forth on it, I would still say NQ has strength relative to ES. Okay, that was a long process to get to that conclusion. What did we get over here? That's not a correct arrow. I can tell you. Always the first one is never accurate because it has to start calculating. And the second one is not correct either. Why do I say that? Because you have to break a higher high. I guess it needs to, I guess my programming skills are leave something to be desired, because this is not a higher high over here. Yeah, the next one will be right. will be correctly positioned. Okay, so Merry Christmas. Now that that's taken care of, I'm still going to try. Good morning, Skeletor. I'm still going to try and get a trade in. All the diehards are here. It's nice to see. As I said, Merry Christmas. I will be able to stick around till 10:15. After that, I'm going to have to make a hasty retreat. Mic check. I didn't do a mic check. Skeletor usually tells me when there's no sound. There is sound. Anybody planning on trading today? Gonna watch ATR closely. Wow, 3.74. Are you planning on trading today, Omnius?
I don't know. I haven't looked at anything yet.
Well, I'll give you the numbers. 128,000 on the volume.
Sounds bad.
Yeah, well, it's very far from 400,000. And the ATR on my screen is 3.
ATR is 3.
3. Oh no.
Call the doctor.
Yeah, basically. Call the doctor. That's funny.
Yeah, just hang out. Skeletor, good morning. Miss K, good morning. Mike, good morning. Mike, what day is it?
Good morning. It's Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve.
Yeah, it's Costco Day.
Costco Day? What is it? Box Day?
No, Boxing Day. Boxing Day is on Friday.
That's Friday.
I'm so off. I keep...
All this time, I've never heard of Boxing Day.
Makes no sense. I see the commercials on Fox News, on CNN. They're always talking about Boxing Day specials. I'm going to record a segment for you from both Fox and CNN talking about Boxing Day on Friday morning.
Must be Canada only.
Man, no, CNN, Fox News.
You know they have Fox News like Canada, Fox News US.
No, this is the general another trade video was talking about Boxing Day. No, this is the one with Sean Hannity and forgot the name, Jesse Waters, Laura, what's her name? Laura Ingraham. The main channel, the main US channel.
So to be fair, I haven't watched any of those people in like 20 years.
Yeah. Well, no, it's not them that'll talk about Boxing Day because they're on vacation during the holidays usually. It's the fill-ins. But yeah, they'll be talking about Boxing Day. Anyways, doesn't matter. Skeletor. I was watching another trade video and they were talking about Boxing Day. Yeah, I'm surprised. Wow, it's like... I mean, I'll go so far to say it's crazy. It's almost like not knowing about Labor Day, in my opinion. Like that term, Boxing Day, is as big as the term Labor Day. You know, that
weird
weekend in September, or Christmas Eve. It's anyway. Who knows?
I did finally get my code back from Jean-Claude AI.
Boom. Okay, there we go. There's the pre-market.
What was that?
That is the imbalance report for the market on open orders. Obviously, they're sell orders. So,
it said it fixed my code, so we'll see. Cut a bunch of code out. So I'm interested. If it improved the code, just made it more, how you say it, you know, sometimes you have a bunch of useless stuff in code and you can kind of cut it down. It's still too long for Claude, though. Claude AI.
Yeah. Well, then you work with DeepSeek.
I told it yesterday. I said, look, I need this code's too long for you. Just give it to me in 2 parts. So it gave me the first part like 8 times. I'm like, well, I have to do the second part.
I hate when it does that. I hate when it does that.
Then it's like, sorry, you are out of responses. Come back at this time. I'm like, yeah. Whatever. It worked.
I get that with Nano Banana when I'm working with images. Fix this, doesn't fix it. You didn't fix it. Let me try again. I'm sorry for my error. Same image, same image. You got to close it down and start over. I mean, not for what you're doing, but for the images, yeah.
I think they do it on purpose.
It's crazy how hard you got to work sometimes with a prompt. You got to figure out what prompt is going to work, or how do you got to phrase it. Okay, markets are opened.
You get like 5 prompts and you wasted 4 of them trying to tell it to do the same thing.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Keep your orders to yourself.
I'd open 100. I should have taken it.
Order filled.
Okay, that was a quick 217.
Heck are you doing?
I got in, I got out, I got out.
Heard that.
I told you, I'm an open trader. I'm very good at it. It's my biggest skill. I just got in and out again, another $70.
All you gotta do is just turn the order fill notification off.
No, I like it. How am I supposed to make my review videos if I can't get in the order filled? Oh, it's true. I wanted to hear something. Sorry, you're going to have to listen to another one.
You ever put the audio channels back on the right channel?
Let me see.
Or am I muted?
No, you're good. You're good. You come through. Oh, it's the girl again.
Joke.
The test just cost me $40.
No way.
Just to see the order filled. I wanted to see where do you get that British guy? Order filled. I want that one.
Why, you like British guys?
I do. I like British guys. I like British accents. I didn't know. This is Project X, and it has the order filled from Ninja Trader. That's the same girl.
I was watching a second ago, and ES was pushing up, and NQ was dropping down. We don't know what we're doing today.
You want to give me a bit of a read on what?
I think any trade you take today is just like a coin flip.
No. I cut it down.
It either goes up or it goes down. If it don't go down, you know which way it goes?
Sideways.
Up.
Yeah, well, not when you use Renko bars.
Show me your Renko.
I got 4 Renko bars up and then 4 Renko bars down. It was beautiful. I wrote it up. I wrote it down.
So beautiful. So beautiful.
What was I going to say? Take a look at how we wicked. Again, pre-market range, that blue box. Just went below it and reversed higher. That's on the 1 minute. So did we get it? No. Wait a minute. How come I don't have the blue box on the 15-second? On this one?
So you just buy the bottom?
No, well, what did we say? We said you buy the first close or the first bar going in the opposite direction, but in this case that was the candle that made the low actually. So the entry wouldn't have been easy today. And we didn't make it with a bearish candle and then start to get bullish candles higher. And because we're in such a compressed range, that candle, that first candle that started to go higher was almost the entire range up. No continuation. So that's it. I should quit. Made my day. Can't complain.
All today, go home.
Yeah. Made a little progress. I don't think I'm going to trade too many accounts.
No.
I think that's it. I don't think, I knew there'd be a little bit of opportunity on the open. What are you doing tonight? Dinner at home? Going to some relatives? Friends? Quiet? Anything on the docket?
Yeah, probably just dinner at home. Probably nothing. Hang out with the family. Watch some more Christmas movies.
Do you watch Jack Frost? I love it. That's my favorite one.
I don't think we watched that one yet.
Good movie.
Let's see, what do we watch so far? We watched Miracle on 34th Street. Polar Express.
Ah, Polar Express. That's a good one too.
Yeah, it's always a favorite.
Done very well. Die Hard. It's funny how they call that a Christmas movie, eh?
It's funny because I looked up Christmas movies and that was like number 2.
Number 2, I would have figured it was number 1.
Yeah, it was like way up there at the top of the Christmas movie list. That, Home Alone, and Trading Places. Like, really? We don't get like Frosty or Rudolph or Nightmare Before Christmas? Come on. What else we watched? We watched A Boy Named Christmas. What is it? Christmas Chronicles or Santa Chronicles or something like that?
But the ones that warm my heart the most are the cartoons. Frosty the Snowman, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, Charlie Brown Christmas. Those guys.
I don't
That's
think
from
we
my
watched any of
childhood.
those.
I don't even know if they show them anymore.
Well, we're going up. Now we're going down.
Mm-hmm. I think it's going to be that kind of a day. I think it's going to be a kind of we're going up, we're going down day.
Mm-hmm. Maybe counter trend. Buy the low, sell the high.
Did I hear that? The C word?
Problem is the volume's so low, all it takes is like one big buyer to come in and like wipe everything.
Yeah. 164,000.
Then you might not even be able to get out because there's nobody to get you out. I was going to hang out with the family today. Then they started talking about meeting up with some friends and going for a long walk. I was like, I don't know.
It's cold
How long
outside.
is this walk?
Yeah, you guys get to walk to the beach.
Probably just hang out for a little bit.
Yeah, I'm not going to stick around long. I'm going to stick around till 10:15. I'm going to try and beat the crowds at Costco. My wife says there's no way you're beating the crowds at Costco at 10:15. The crowds will have beaten you.
Wish we had like some grand Christmas event thing. I'll have to work on it more next year. I also wanted to see if my bot was going to trade today. It don't look like it.
Oh, really? 1, 2. I would have figured you would have caught along there.
No, my candle's that huge one.
Yeah.
My breakout candle's that huge candle. We might not see that all day long. It'll pick a new candle here in a few minutes. I also set it up to where my second entry comes in a little bit faster. It doesn't have to go so far, so it takes more second entries. So that'll be interesting.
Hmm.
Claude AI is still like, you should be doing it like this, right? Look, I just want to do it the way I want to do it.
I thought I put
Oh.
the opening range.
I'm hoping once I train it on what I want, then we can build from there.
Yeah.
Man, I like the Claude AI. It seems to work really well. Just you, what do you get, like 4 or 5 responses?
I have no idea. I didn't use it that much.
Yesterday I got one because it kept giving me the second part of the code. The first part was supposed to be the second over and over and over, and used up all my responses. And then I was like, well, that's all you get. Come back at 6 o'clock. Like, really?
But Claude has a paid option, though.
I'm sure. I mean,
DeepSeek doesn't. That's disappointing.
well, DeepSeek was supposed to be open source. It's kind of sad that they haven't updated it since 2024. That's a long time in the AI world.
Yeah.
It's already a dinosaur. I wonder if Claude AI took over DeepSeek. Or maybe not by name, but maybe the crew or something. I was watching something and one of the AI guys like quit and went to Japan to work with another company. And I believe it was the Claude AI. I have to look more into it.
I'm sure there's a lot of what's the word? Pilfering.
Yeah.
Employees from one to the other. I don't know what the real word is, but
because it's such a fight right now.
Cutthroat. Yeah.
Like a race to the moon or something.
Come work for me. Come work for me. We'll give you $500 million signing bonus.
What they want is they want AGI, and then they want it with robotics. And I guess Japan's leading in the robotics. And they got great programmers over there. Watching one video, it's talking about this is the first one that can get the the AI, basically programming the AI and looping it,
Mm.
is just going to be so far ahead of all the rest. It's not even going to be competition.
Well, that's going to be difficult because it has to do something, and then it has to say, wait, there's a better way to do it. And if you know that there's a better way to do it, why did you just do it on the first iteration?
That'll keep looping. It'll so what you do is you get the AI to program the AI to program the AI, and then the AI programs it better than you, and then that one's smarter than the previous one, so it programs it better than the last one, and then it keeps looping.
Yeah, I guess there's no limit to knowledge, and it'll make.
Seen a video on one, and they was using it for some kind of medical thing. They said it answered more in 12 hours than a team of scientists would do in years.
I know, it's crazy. It's crazy what it can do.
But they're saying still, even then, they had to give it the task, they had to give it the parameters, they had to lay everything out for it. But the first company that can create an AI that can think for itself and say, hey, here's a problem, let me fix it. And then it's going to self-replicate itself, and it's just going to spiral out of control. That's why they're dumping billions and billions and billions into this.
Billions. I was talking to my daughter about that number yesterday. That's 1,000 million. And they're talking about the fraud in Minnesota and in other places there with, I don't know what they say, Medicaid. I don't even know what that is. Maybe that's kind of like your Medicare system.
Yeah.
And the food's billions. Wow. Some people made themselves very rich knowing the loopholes.
You ever notice how those people never seem to go to jail?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Like, you steal a candy bar, you go to jail. You steal $1 billion, you get told, don't do that again.
I'm starting to think that's what government is.
Oh, yeah.
Everywhere. Bring in the tax dollars, create programs, help the little guy a little bit, and then the rest find ways to pilfer it.
Well, that's why they register governments as businesses now. Your government is a business. And businesses are required to do everything possible to make as much money for their stockholders as they can. So what's that tell you?
I'm in the wrong business. That's what it tells me.
Yeah, me too.
Damn, my wife's up already. I got 3 simple lines on my chart. VWAP previous days, high, and previous days close. And my chart looks crazy busy. You know what? You know what Matt used to have, Trades by Matt? All he had was those labels on the side. He didn't have the lines.
He had a value area.
Okay, yeah, but I'm just saying, I don't think it was marked out. I think it was just labels on the side like that, so it keeps the chart clean. I gotta try and code that in. I'm gonna talk to
I feel like I've always seen him with the value area. I mean, I haven't watched him in a long time, but
Yeah, but again, just the labels, not the lines.
I used to have lines.
Oh, yeah. Giveaway. Pratik, we're going to pick that up after the New Year's. The markets are closed on Thursday, on Friday, next week. Nobody's
I'm gonna go
here.
see it. I bet he still got the same setup he had like 5 years ago.
Aditya, nice to see you. Auto scale, displaying data box, price markers. Oh, what about that? What if I do?
Nope, he took the day off, huh? Good for him.
Merry Christmas. Yeah, absolutely, guys. Merry Christmas.
Merry
I'm
Christmas.
glad you guys showed up. You see, if you get rid of visible, it gets rid of the price markers.
See, he still got the lines.
Oh, yeah. Thought he had no lines. Thought he had clean charts.
That's all he's got. He's got VWAP, and then he's got value area high, value area low, and point of control, and then he's also got volume profile. And he's also got cumulative delta. He ain't changed his setup since he started trading futures.
Mm.
I mean, I like it. It's simple. It's to the point. So you got 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, 30 minute. Then he also uses the another one. I can't think of what it is. Let's say it's like a 22 tick chart or something. '22 range chart.
Can you do a custom color in Ninja Trader? Does anybody know? Are there custom colors, or you have to choose what they give you?
I don't know that one. Sorry, sir. Wish I could help.
Hmm. Oh, wow, it's true, eh? What's true? I was gonna add a couple of more Bullinox accounts today, but I forgot. Take advantage of the 91% off.
Yeah, ending soon. Well, I think next week. I can't remember.
Curious to see what Apex comes up with. I think they found a winning formula, Apex, with the $65 activation. I think they're going to stick with that for a while. That
People
would be
seem to
my
like
guess.
it. People seem to like it.
Yep.
They should be getting a lot of business with Top Step trying everything possible to sabotage themselves.
I know. I saw an interview yesterday. The guy blew his account who was live and took $437,000 in payouts. It was a short. It's true. I don't understand. Bullinox needs to lower the master. Yeah, I know. I know.
Yeah, I agree with that. But that's relatively new across the firms, so I'll have to see what they do. They've been really competitive for a long time, so are they going to meet that need or what? Yeah, Skeletor, I agree. And they need to work on that 5-day rule.
Yeah, the 5-day rule is a killer for me. Even now, I'm starting to wonder with all the holidays and stuff. Am I going to trigger the 5-day rule? Because daytrader.com also has the 5-day rule. I didn't trade my date. Is Apex Trader Funder available in India? Pretty sure it is, guys. Pretty sure it is.
Wait, you say a day trader has a 5-day rule?
I'm pretty sure, yeah.
No, I'm pretty sure theirs is a month.
Oh, yeah? I got the feeling it was 5 days. I feel under pressure with my daytrader.com account also. Why would I have that in my mind? Maybe... I was going to say maybe not for the master account or whatever they call it.
Obviously make sure, but I want to say that it was a month.
Yeah, I'll definitely have to go check because it's not an eval now with day traders. And
if anything, message them. They're pretty good at messaging.
I'm doing good with there. I want to take a payout from day traders. Yes, I passed the account I won, but I need to wait to pay the 148 for Bullinox. Good job, Miss K. That was quick.
Sweet.
That was quick.
Good job.
Give it up for this week's sub of the week, Miss K911. 3 weeks in and already part of the room. Love the support. Love the energy. Showing up early, suspiciously professional, apparently trading with a black cat risk manager, never on tilt, no overtrading, and hasn't blown an account on stream yet, which puts you in the top percentile. Futures floor and Omnius Trades approved. Glad you're here, Miss K.
Forget never blown an account. She passed her free account, the account she won. Way to go, man.
Sweet. I didn't get to hear it because you didn't tell me you were going to play
it. Yeah, I'm lazy today. I just click it. I did surprisingly well for the one account that I traded today. For the new year, I should make a resolution. I should try and get my scalping chart up on the screen for you guys to see my activity in the morning on the open, and I should also try to get up the 5-minute charts, create a screen for that so you guys can see the yeah, you have it's about 7 days. I passed a couple.
If you have one master already, then you can take longer. Just you have to have at least one.
Yeah.
With Bullinox. If you don't have a master, then you have 7 days. If you do have a master, I don't think they limit it at all. You can just keep it pending.
Yeah. Yeah, check on your invoice. There'll be an expiry date on the invoice they sent you. It's near the bottom, I think. They'll say this invoice is good until. And if it is your first one, yeah, if you let that expire, then I think if it's the first one, I think, confirm it, but I think the account disappears.
You can lose it. I mean, They seem to be pretty good at working with people like oh, I didn't know. I mean, mine was quite a bit over and they reactivated mine.
Yeah. Just email them. They're good with support. I just emailed them the other day. I got the answer. I emailed them at support ticket at 1. I got the answer by 3 o'clock. 2 hours. Nothing to complain about there.
So far for me, Bullinox and daytraders.com, I mean, every issue I've had, they've fixed. I haven't had any issues with support. Great support.
Who do you trade with primarily, Miss K? Like, who's your go-to prop firm? Just curious.
I like Bullinox because of their their rules and cheap evals, but they are starting to kind of fall behind a little bit. They need to update some things.
Mm.
You know, it's bad when you can't even get a range trade on a 2-minute candle.
Who would I migrate
How,
to? If I
how
were
is that
to
even possible? We can't
migrate?
break a 2-minute candle. I think we're down to micro scalping at this point.
Yeah, no, I'm done. I'm done.
Woohoo, I got 1.5 points.
I took one stupid trade trading my balance. I wanted to bring it to 400, which is a no-no.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I needed $30. I ended up down $30. I said, oh, take it. You're already at 1-for-1. I had my finger on the trigger to take the $30 loss, but it reversed. I didn't get to my 400, but I'm at 386. I'm saying, you know what? Fuck it. I'm not going to make stupid decisions.
Problem with that is, as soon as you take the trade, you're like staring at the P&L so hard.
Yeah. Somehow it never gets there.
Yeah, it almost never works because it goes like one tick against. I gotta get out. I gotta get out. I gotta get out.
I'm better at not doing it. I do it so much less, but sometimes I still get sucked into it, like before.
Mikey,
But
you
you're
gotta make a video bashing Top Step. That's what's getting all the views.
I have so many videos up in the on the runway.
Oh yeah.
I have a large to-do list. Happy holidays to all of you. Happy holidays to you too, Lucky JC777. I like the name. A little long.
JC, good morning. JC number 777. Good morning.
777.
To the other 776 JCs, good morning also. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, or whatever you celebrate.
What was that thing you said once? I didn't know what it was. Hamza or Hawanza? Jawanza? Kwanzaa, that's it.
It should be like Christmas for Black people or something. I can't find anybody that celebrates it.
Kwanzaa.
Who was it from Africa? We'll have to ask them.
Yeah, so
They celebrated over there.
Yeah. Who were our South African guys? We had a few of them. Ruan hasn't came back.
They was doing Kwanzaa songs at my kid's school. I'm like, who the hell celebrates Kwanzaa?
Well, do they have a different religion? I mean, usually a holiday is related to a religion.
Look, you're going outside of my expertise, okay?
Yeah, I want to get a video also out on the pre-market, on the pre-market range. Everybody talks about the opening range breakout. What about the pre-market range? Gathering. Any gathering is a celebration.
Mm-hmm.
My wife made me stand in the cold and the snow for an hour yesterday, all alone while she waited in the warm car so we can get into our restaurant.
Well,
she sacrificed.
You just call and make a reservation?
No,
like everybody else?
No, it's one of those places that's so busy that it's a no reservation policy till January 11th. Not true. Yes, I know it's not true. I just wanted to make you sound. It's not true. She stood with me, and then she even let me go in the car and warm up.
We kind of figured what really happened.
I was going to take a picture and send it to you in Discord, but I just imagined you writing me back and saying, Mike, I know what snow looks like, you know. You don't have to keep sending me pictures of what it looks like.
I don't know. My kids said they wanted to see snow. I told them I was gonna tell you you gotta go get some snow for them.
Mm. Yeah, but when you're just standing in front of a restaurant and it's cold and it's blowing and it's windy and it's snowing.
We know you got Discord on your phone. All I gotta do is pop out Discord and turn the
Yeah.
camera on.
But it was nice. It was a nice evening. It was a nice Christmassy place.
Y'all see how he avoided that?
I didn't have my phone. I don't bring my phone when I go out. I'm not a cell phone guy. My cell phone is most of the time turned off. I don't bring it when I go out. Remember,
Your
I just
daughter
got a cell
did?
phone. Yeah,
What
my
did your daughter do?
She waited in the car. She was the
Oh.
princess. A
Well,
lot
I
of
mean-
people were. A lot of people were. There was almost everyone had people waiting in the car while they waited in line.
They don't give you those little boxes that beep when it's your turn?
Nah.
A call, a text?
Nah, what it is it's a place that
What
really
kind of restaurant is this?
it really decorated for Christmas, like, you know, over and above. And it got TikTok famous. So everybody and their uncle wants to go, you know?
But not famous enough to give you some way to tell you that your party's ready.
No. Well, they didn't even have Diet Coke or Diet Pepsi. It's a weird place. It's odd. And then she comes back. She goes, let me check. She comes back. She goes, we don't have Diet Coke or Diet Pepsi or Coke or Pepsi, but we have something else that tastes like it. She gives me a name like Schlumburger. I go, no, give me water. I don't want Schlumburger. I don't even know what Schlumburger is. I don't think anybody knows what Schlumburger is. What kind of place is this?
Is that guy on Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, the guy that's trying to get the recipe?
I have no idea. And then, wait, it gets worse. Do you want to hear what my daughter ordered? You're not going to believe.
Pizza?
No. What kind of pizza? I'll
But
tell
I
you.
got the pizza right?
You
Halfway
had
there.
the pizza, right? Yeah, I had pizza too. I swear to God, I didn't even know they
Yeah,
had
I
it.
went to a fancy restaurant to eat pizza.
It wasn't a fancy restaurant. It's a restaurant that
You just said they were like world famous or whatever.
No, I said very popular here in my area, Montreal and Quebec, because of what they did. They're TikTok famous because of what they did, the way they decorated. They made it like a Christmas wonderland, you know, over and above.
Okay.
You can't go anywhere without bumping into a Christmas decoration. So she had a potato pizza. Did you know they even made that?
Is that like French fries on your pizza?
Yeah, that was supposed to be the idea, but in the end, it was scalloped potatoes
On top of a pizza?
Who orders a potato pizza?
Probably gonna have to pass on that.
Yeah, I can tell you a pass on that. I got a smoked meat pizza. It was delicious.
Oh, it's after 10 o'clock. I didn't get a single trade.
Wow. You want to know how many I got?
Well, I mean, I took one on the other account. The bot didn't take a single trade. I couldn't break a single 2-minute candle.
I think I got 10.
Half an hour, we couldn't break a single 2-minute candle. That's crazy.
Wow.
Well, I mean, I say a single candle, but it's certain ones, right? That's crazy.
Actually, I don't think I got 10. I think I got about 5.
Way to see if it's taking orders properly.
Order filled. So where do I get order filled from? Thought everybody has it somewhere. I was sure it was in Project X. Tradeovate? Is that where it comes from? Or Quantar? Anybody know where the British accent order filled comes from? Yes, Tradeovate? Shagger Muckish. Sagar Mukish. Welcome, Sagar Mukish. We'll just call you Sagar. Right? I'm reading it right? Sagar. We read the names wrong here often. Sagar, I don't know if you know, we'll be bringing back up the the giveaway games starting in the new year. We had $1 million of accounts. I don't know how many we've given away already. 7, 8. So we got at least another. We probably got about another $700,000 in accounts to give away. That's a lot for a small channel, you know? Really, it is. Like I'm seeing some of the places, and they're bragging that they have 500,000, and I'm talking like prop firms. You know, like daytraders.com. We're giving away $250,000 in accounts. I said, wow, hold on a minute. I'm just a little guy, and I'm like beating you. And I made a note. I'm going to try and contact day traders, Apex during the holidays. See if we can get them to throw some in the pot. There's a new prop firm called Omnius Trades. I don't know if you guys saw it. No activation fee.
Could you imagine me on customer service? I don't know how Skeletor does it. That'd be horrible at customer service.
Especially if you couldn't talk about their grandmothers.
You should hear me talking to telemarketers.
Holy shit. Sager, can I get you to click the subscribe button? Let me tell you why. I'm at 1,549 subscribers, but my number shows 1.54. What a Christmas present that would be if I can get 1.55 showing up. Uh-oh. We got some screaming and arguing upstairs.
Now that's the Christmas spirit.
Not on Christmas Eve, seriously. Seriously. And I know what it is also. I bet.
Arguing over who gets the coffee?
Cleaning. Remember, we're hosting tomorrow?
Oh, yeah?
Receiving whenever. So what happens? My son gets a clean your room order. And then my son says, it's upstairs. No one's going upstairs. I don't have to take the papers off my desk. And then the argument starts.
2-story or 3-story?
3.
Fancy.
So no, well, no. Isn't that what every house has? A basement, a middle floor, and an upstairs for the bedrooms?
I don't know. Mine only has 1 floor.
3 floors? You make it sound like it's 3 floors of housing. It's not. A basement, it doesn't count.
Well, I don't got no basement. Ain't you in the basement?
Yeah. Doesn't count.
How does it not count?
Because it's not living space. It's.
But you're
space.
there. You're there, right? And you're living.
Yeah, but it's only used for this. It's used for this. It's used to hang laundry. It's used for exercise.
No, it's used for whatever you want. We got friends up north that have basements and they deck them out. It's like man caves and
no, we don't.
Cool stuff.
Ours is messy. I mean, we did use it for a while. We have a fireplace. We have couches. We had the big screen TV. We had the projector before. And we used to use it, but then I took it over. So now I make it my trading room, and nobody gets to use it. Like I said, the back half is like a little exercise room with a treadmill and not much, just a treadmill and a.
Everybody puts the exercise room in the basement.
Yeah,
they never go down there to exercise.
No, we use it. We use it. Not as often as I should, but my daughter does the treadmill. I do the electrical.
See, I got everything right here in one room. Got watch movies. Got my weight stuff over there. I got guitars, amps. Used to have like band practices and fireplace. Got my trading computer. What else? Kids like to play games and stuff in here. Then I can send them all to the other side of the house where they got the living room over there and they can do all their other stuff. we first moved in, we wanted to make it all like open, take out some walls, open everything up. And then we had kids,
Yeah.
and now we're trying to like close it back off. You mean there's a door here and I can shut it and leave the kids on the other side of the house? Hell yeah.
Okay, guys, 10:14. I'm going to make a hasty retreat because I do got to go to Costco. My wife is waiting. I did promise her, and I do want to get there before it gets crazy, crazy crowded. So,
Is this the part where you're going to sing Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas. No, I don't
Hold
want
on.
to sing Merry Christmas.
Put you on
That
the
was
big screen.
that was
Okay.
that was the best I can do.
Now I got you on the big screen. Go.
Merry Christmas. That's the best I'm gonna do.
What about like Jingle Bells? Everybody knows Jingle Bells. Jingle
that's my
Bells.
Dean Martin.
Batman smells. Robin laid an egg.
But
I don't
guys,
know.
thanks for hanging out on Christmas Eve, even though it's the morning. I don't know if we can technically call it Christmas Eve yet.
Of course it's
Appreciate it.
Christmas Eve. Come on, man.
Thanks for the well wishes. I do wish the same back to you guys. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. If Christmas isn't your holiday, all the best to you, to your loved ones, to your family. That's what it's all about, really. That's what's important, not the gifts and the gift giving and what did I get and what did you get from me. I'm leaving to see you on Friday if you're going to stream. Yes, I will. I think I'll be here on Friday for a bit again. Can't be worse than this. For Boxing Day. I appreciate your support, guys. Thanks a lot. I can't wait to be back in the new year with the giveaways. Merry Christmas. Sagar, did I get a subscribe? Usually I don't harass people. I never ask, but
Coming up to a new year, new excitement, new things to put out there. I think it's been a good year. 2025, 2026 is going to be a great year.
Way to go. Let me see. I refreshed. Hey, 1.55. Perfect. You got it over the threshold for me.
Skeletor,
Good
Merry
job.
Christmas. Tell the
Thanks, Sagar.
family and everybody, Merry Christmas. Everybody else, Merry Christmas. Tell everybody Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays or whatever y'all like. Don't matter.
Yep.
Just have fun, spend it with family, enjoy the time. Goes by quick, doesn't it?
It does. It does.
Mike, do you have anything else to say?
No, we'll see you. I'll see you Friday morning. I'm not sure. Omnius, you're going to be here on Friday?
I have no idea.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I'll see you guys
Maybe
Friday
not.
morning. Definitely. I'll show up for a bit. Maybe not.
All right,
long.
guys. Appreciate you guys. See everybody whenever. Bye, guys.